Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. The monsoon is here, the riders are ready, but the bikes need to be in top form. So here's a video about getting your bike ready to tour. Very important to keep your bike in shape. You don't want to get stranded in a storm in another state. That would be a nightmare, right? So here are some things you need to take care of so that you can go ride carefree in the monsoon wherever and get back home safely. So I'm going to show you the process and the list of things that need to be taken care of. So guys, I'm here at Oskote KTM Service Center. They really do a good job on my bike. I keep coming here. So if you are close by, you can come here, and the service team really does a great job. Right now the battery health is being checked. So at idle, when your when your engine is off, it should be about 12 the reading, right? So that's good enough. And also when your engine is running, the reading should be 14 and above. That means the battery is getting recharged. So I've got healthy figures on my bike, not an issue. The battery, the starter relay connections are being checked and also being tightened so that you don't have any ignition problems. Vaseline is applied so that it prevents it from rusting. So that's why they apply Vaseline. They're using some classic WD-40 to clean the switchgear, both left hand side and right hand side. They are cleaning the tank lock set and the tank cap. A lot of dust accumulates in this region, so better to get that done. The routine chain adjustment and chain lubrication. The brake pads are being cleaned. There might be some fine grains of sand stuck, so they are sanding it all out. I personally trust my brakes more than humans. So this is the doctor tool. It is used to clean the fork seal. In one direction it cleans the dust cap, in the other direction it cleans the oil seal. So same thing on the right side. Fork seal breaking in the wrong time can be a traumatic event, so better to get this done and ensure total form of your bike. So the same process is being repeated on the front. So the front pads will be sanded down a bit and also cleaned. So right now they're inspecting oil level, they're cleaning that oil window. So we have a shortage of around 300 ml. So getting a top up done so that the engine doesn't run dry. 300 ml top up motul. So I'm getting this done, guys, and there's a race coming up, and I just want to be at my best. My bike has to be at its best. So this is the final thing that's getting done. That is getting the error codes out. See if any updates. Mine has no updates, but there might be some error codes which they will remove. So that's it, guys. Ride fast, ride safe, keep your bike in shape. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, later. See you guys.